Okay, so the problem in the R88 0232 is on the admission document. Some students has not received the notification admission document. Some also received the notification document. Get this? The main problem. Some student registered from admission did not receive the form for admission document, and some student registered from admission receive the form every day for admission document. Even so, that student has already received admission. So the student received the notification admission document for two times, and uh, uh, only receive it should the only receive the notification admission document it's once, not the second times. So yes, when the contract is running for every day with the year and notification admission document also receiving for the student in every day, even though the student has already received the admission document before.